So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see their top CEOs are investing their own money. Yes, it's a public information that you can access using this site. Now just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for Open Insider com. You can see just simply open this first website, which is openinsider.com, and here you can see the latest cluster buys by the company name. Here you can see the CEOs of the company that are buying something, and when you scroll down you can find the industry names as well, the company name as well. And there are multiple datas available right there that you can use to find whatever you want. And here you can see, just simply go to the option and check mark CEO, and here you can see all the CEOs that are investing. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.